Imagine this. You're standing on the edge of a vast cosmic abyss, staring into the infinite blackness of space, where stars burn with furious intensity and black holes devour everything in their path. The universe is a relentless, unforgiving thriller, full of hidden forces that could destroy worlds or birth new ones in an instant. And now, deep in secret laboratories hidden from the public eye, a forbidden technology is awakening. Quantum computers, machines that don't just calculate, they harness the raw, chaotic power of the quantum realm itself. Powers that defy reality as we know it. Powers that could shatter the barriers of the impossible, unlocking secrets of the cosmos that have been concealed for billions of years. But at what cost? Tonight, we pull back the veil on this shadowy revolution, revealing how quantum computers are poised to turn the unimaginable into terrifying, awe-inspiring reality. Feel the chill of dread as we confront the crumbling empire of classical computing. For decades, we've built our civilization on digital machines, zeros and ones marching in perfect order, powering economies, weapons, and dreams. Nations rose to dominance because they mastered these silicon beasts. But now in the cold void of 2025, the truth emerges like a supernova explosion. Moore's law, that sacred exponential growth, promising endless power, is dying. Transistors shrink to atomic scales, electrons tunnel through barriers like ghosts, creating catastrophic short circuits. The curve of progress flattens, threatening economic collapse. Silicon Valley teeters on the brink of becoming a Rust Belt wasteland. Whispers in boardrooms grow frantic. Who will survive when classical computers stall? The answer lurks in the quantum shadows, atomic computers that compute not on transistors, but on the fundamental particles of the universe itself. Picture the scene. Frigid cryogenic chambers glowing with ethereal blue light, where superconducting qubits hover near absolute zero, entangled in ways that bend the fabric of spacetime. In 2025, breakthroughs erupt like cosmic catastrophes. Google's Willow chip, with over 100 qubits, demonstrates exponential error suppression, solving benchmarks in minutes that would take classical supercomputers longer than the age of the universe, 10 to the 25th power years. IBM's Nighthawk processor hurdles toward quantum advantage by 2026, while fault-tolerant demonstrations on Loon chips prove all elements for unbreakable quantum logic are here. IonQ simulates medical devices with practical speedup, Microsoft entangles record logical qubits, and room temperature photonic qubits from Xanadu shatter old limits. These aren't distant dreams, they're the harbingers of a new era, where quantum machines simulate realities beyond human comprehension. Now descend into the heart of terror and wonder, the quantum realm's power to reshape our world. Electrons aren't mere particles. They're waves of probability, existing in superposition, in multiple states, multiple places, even multiple universes simultaneously. Classical computers chain zeros and ones in linear prisons. Quantum computers? They dance across parallel realities, computing on infinite possibilities at once. This is no comic book fantasy. It's the core of quantum physics, the multiverse made manifest in silicon and light. Shocking, isn't it? To think that the building blocks of matter hold this godlike computational fury trapped until now. Feel the awe as we gaze upward to the stars. Quantum computers are invading space technology, unlocking viral, mind-bending applications that could redefine humanity's place in the cosmos. Imagine optimizing trajectories for interstellar probes, simulating plasma flows for advanced propulsion systems that slingshot us toward exoplanets. Quantum sensors, hyper-precise, probe magnetic fields of distant worlds, revealing hidden oceans beneath icy moons or atmospheres teeming with biosignatures. In 2025, proposals surged for quantum networks in orbit, satellites entangled across vast distances, forming unbreakable quantum internets immune to hacking. Boeing's Q-4S satellite, launching soon, tests entanglement swapping in the vacuum of space, paving the way for global quantum communication that defies earthly interference. But the real shock hits when quantum meets cosmology. The universe's greatest mysteries, dark matter, dark energy, the Big Bang's fiery birth, demand simulations of unimaginable scale. Classical machines falter, choked by complexity. Quantum leaps in, algorithms modeling dark matter halos, resolving the Hubble tension with refined expansion rates. In recent breakthroughs, quantum simulations probe early universe Casimir energies, vacuum fluctuations that echo the cosmic microwave background. A mature spiral galaxy, Alexandria, discovered just 1.5 billion years post-Big Bang, defies theories. Quantum computing could simulate such rapid formations, unveiling hidden physics. Runaway black holes, confirmed by JWST in 2025, streak through space. Quantum models predict their quantum entangled origins. Fear grips as we realize these machines could simulate black hole interiors, quantum gravity, even the universe's birth in parallel realities. Deeper into the thriller, conspiracies swirl, governments and corporations race in shadows, pouring billions into quantum arms. Why? Because quantum computers threaten to crack any classical encryption overnight. National secrets, financial empires, even nuclear codes, vulnerable. Shore's algorithm factors massive numbers instantly, rendering RSA obsolete. Anxiety ripples through intelligence agencies. A quantum breakthrough could expose harvested data from years of surveillance. Post-quantum cryptography races to counter, but the clock ticks. In space, this means secure quantum links for satellites, defending against orbital cyber wars. Whispers of hidden projects, quantum-secured constellations monitoring rogue planets, brown dwarfs destabilizing solar systems in simulations that predict apocalyptic close encounters. Yet amid the fear, wonder ignites. Quantum for energy, the ultimate prize. Fusion power, unlimited clean energy from seawater hydrogen, promises to end scarcity. But stabilizing raging plasmas demands godlike precision. Classical simulations fail, turbulence tears reactors apart. Enter quantum. 2025 sees algorithms accelerating plasma modeling, predicting instabilities that doom current designs. Prototypes near net gain, quantum speeding the path to commercial fusion by decades. Imagine reactors burning without meltdown risk, powered by quantum-optimized controls. On Earth, the green revolution fades. Fertilizers wane. Populations hunger. Nitrogen fixation, pulling life-giving ammonia from air, devours energy via Haber-Bosch. Nature does it effortlessly in bacteria via nitrogenase enzyme. Quantum's killer app, simulating FOMOCO cluster, unraveling its mechanism. Breakthroughs in 2025 push simulations closer, promising ambient temperature catalysts, a second green revolution, feeding billions without ecological devastation. Medicine trembles on the brink. Diseases like cancer, Alzheimer's, molecular chaos beyond classical reach. Quantum models molecules perfectly, designing drugs in silico. 2025. IonQ outperforms classical in medical simulations. Cure the incurable, reverse aging at atomic level. Space reaps richest harvest. Quantum optimizes deep space trajectories, evading gravitational slingshots from rogue worlds. Simulates exoplanet atmospheres, detecting life via helium escapes on superpuffs like WASP-107b. JWST's 2025 finds growing supermassive black holes mere millions years post-Big Bang, helium streams from inflated worlds. Quantum refines these, predicting habitable zones across galaxies. The race intensifies. Everyone joins or perishes. Tech giants, startups' valuations skyrocketing to billions. Stocks explode as quantum becomes hottest investment. Nations vie for supremacy. Lag and irrelevance looms. Conspiracies abound. Suppressed breakthroughs. Hidden quantum advantages in cosmology, proving multiverse real. Stand in awe and terror. Quantum computers don't replace us. They amplify. Biologists, astronomers wielding them like cosmic hammers. Unemployment for those clinging to classical ways. The impossible becomes reality. Interstellar travel via quantum propulsion insights, decoding universe's origin, harnessing stars' fusion fury. But beware, The power to simulate realities risks unleashing unknowns. Parallel universes bleed through. Black hole information paradoxes resolved, rewriting existence. This is no mere technology. It's a cosmic awakening. Quantum computers peer into the universe's soul, revealing truths that inspire wonder and instill primal fear. The veil lifts, the revolution begins. Are you ready